Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been inactive. I'm really sorry. I missed you guys a lot. Let's get up to this video. This video is about getting defined curls without chopstick color. So I'm gonna teach you how to curl your hair like in a defined way without curling cream or chopstick. Okay, now let's get into the video. I'm just using a paintbrush and it's this thing, okay?
It's all about the love.
I will take
I wanna
a
hold.
section of my
It's
hair
all about my heart. I lost
and I will
tonight.
roll it up.
It's all about the dream.
Till the end, take my
It's all about the life.
straightener,
And
carefully just press it over.
it's all about my fears I left behind.
Please be very careful guys, your
Where am I going? I almost lost my mind.
I'm gonna just separate it like this.
This circle spinning round.
Look, I have a defined color here. It's not perfect, but now I'll take one more smaller section with my
Where's
chopstick
my home?
and
I think I lost my mind in something that can't be found. It's all about the lies I've told. It's all about love I wanna hold. It's all about my heart I lost
so
tonight.
basically you have to do it all over your hair. I know this is a very
It's all about the
technique where you don't have
dreams
a chopstick color or
It's
a
all
defined
about
cream.
life
You'll have to do this.
and
That's how I did my
It's all
defined
about
curls.
my
In
fears.
the previous picture I uploaded on Instagram, how you guys were asking about it for a tutorial on it. So this is how I did it. Thank you guys. Bye.
Ah.